The first method is to restart your PS5. For that, it is one of the best way to fix any kind of bugs or issues. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. You need to open PS5 screen, then click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power and then select restart PS5. So after restarting your PS5, check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, move to the next solution. Let's check storage space on console. So for that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Now click on console storage and extended storage. Click on check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, go to PS5 settings, tap on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5. After that, select console storage and then tap on delete option. After this, check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5 first. After that, hold down the power button unless two beeps sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. So after this, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next method is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, now users and accounts. After that, move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select skate, then click on restore and finally confirm by selecting yes. So after restoring licenses, check if you can play the game. Next solution is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and not running on outdated version. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check for update option and then try to play the game. Next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5 first. Now select system. After that, go to system software, then system software update and settings. Next, choose update system software and finally select update using internet option. After this, check if the problem is fixed. Next is to sign out and sign in to PS5. For that, go to settings, then click on users and accounts. Now go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out. Once done, again log in to PS5 account and then check for the error if it is resolved. If not, next solution is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, open settings, then network, then settings, then set up network connection. Here, click on options. Now under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.5 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. Next is to change language on console. First, open PS5 settings, then go to system. Here choose language option. In the left sidebar, then select current language. Change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is fixed. Next is to reset console settings. So for that, launch settings on your PS5, then move to system. Now select reset options under system software. Here choose reset default settings and at last select restore option. So after resetting your console settings, now check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to reinstall Skate. So for that, highlight Skate on your PS5, then press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Skate option again to check for the error if it is fixed. If not, final solution is to contact support. So if the issue still continues and nothing works for you, then you should take or help of the PlayStation support. I have provided the link in the description. They will better suggest you the solution and you can be into the game once again. So these are some solutions to fix Skate not launching or crashing or other errors on PS5. So that's all for now. Thank you.